Hello everyone, welcome to real class. I'm still your guide, WAEC. Now, last time we talked about the regular verbs and we mentioned that regular verbs are verbs that take ed to form their past tense and past participle. But this time we are looking at irregular verbs. Verbs are said to be regular when they do not take the conventional form of ed to form their past tense and past participles, and they can take different dimensions. Regular verbs usually don't take, usually don't give problems to students in exams, but irregular verbs do. All right. Now we talk about eat, present tense, ate, past tense, eating, past participle. All right. Yes, I want to eat. I ate yesterday. I have eaten. Then we talk about drive. I want to drive my car. All right. Yes, I drove my car yesterday. I have driven my car right now. Then we have arise, present tense, past tense arose, past participle arisen. Jesus Christ has arisen. Then there are some irregular verbs that don't change at all. They don't change. They remain the same throughout, both present, past, and past participle. Such verb include hit. Then the past tense hits. Past participle is hit. There is nothing like he hitted me. Hit is hit. Whether he hit you 10 years ago, hit remains hit. So that kind of irregular verb does not carry anything at all to form both the past tense and past participle. Then bet. I bet. Bet. I bet with him last night. All right. Not I betted. There is no such English as betted. All right. The same thing with cast and broadcast, in fact, that you have here. There is nothing like the news was broadcasted last year or last week or yesterday. Broadcast is broadcast. The news was broadcast yesterday. The news was broadcast yesterday, not was broadcasted. There is no such English as broadcasted. Past tense is broadcast. Past participle is still broadcast. Same thing with bet. I've said it earlier. And the same thing with cast. We have cast, then we have cast there. Both past tense and past participle. Then there are some irregular verbs. You know what they are? They actually have two forms of the past tense and two forms of the past participle, such as dream. All right, dream. Past tense is either dreamed or dreamt. All right, it's either dreamed or dreamt. All right, yes. Then the same thing with past participle. It's either dreamed or dreamt. So this category of verbs, they have two forms of the past tense and past participle. Yeah, in that category too, we have leap. Past tense could be leaped, and past participle could also, past tense too could also be leaped. The same thing goes with the past participle. It could be leaped, it could be leaped. All right? So that's that. The same thing is what? Going with kneel. Past tense could be kneeled or knelt. And in a similar vein, you check the past participle, it could be kneeled, it could be knelt too. All right? Then, what about speed? Past tense could be speeded or sped. The same thing with past participle, it could be speeded or sped. All right? So it could be speeded, or better still, you have the sped here. So that's what you find the SPED. Then you talk about some other ones here. Present tense is run, that's for run. Past tense run. Past participle is still run. All right? I want to run. Yesterday I ran. I have run away. All right? Some people do say I have run away. No, I have told you anytime you use have, has and have, the next tense is past participle. So it is I have run away. If you have I have run away, that run there is no longer present tense but past participle. It has been conditioned by the use of has or have there. So that's that. So we have other ones there that we need to look at in terms of their past tense and past participle. So in that case, we have begin. Past tense began. past participle begun, that's begun. Then we have the example under this, the job has begun, not the job has begun. The job has begun because has condition begun as the past participle there. Drink, drank, drunk. So if you want to use in the past participle, you have I have drunk water, not I have drank water. I have drunk water because it is drink, drank, drunk. And drunk is past participle, and after have, it must condition that drunk there. Overcome, past tense, overcame. Past participle is still overcome. So it is I have overcome the situation. That is no longer present tense, but past participle because of that have there. So we have fights. The past tense of fight is fought, while the past participle is still fought. Are you going to fight him? All right, he fought him last night. We have fought him already. So present tense, past participle, fight, fought respectively. Then forbid. Past tense is forbid, and past participle is forbidden. So it is forbid, forbid, and forbidden. All right? So you get that. So you have swear. The past participle is swore. Past tense is swore. Past participle is sworn. Again, don't forget, swear, present tense, past tense swore, past participle sworn. The same thing with to put on clothes, where the present tense is wear, past tense is wore, past participle is worn. So I have worn my clothes. I have sworn that I wouldn't go there. Then forswear, where the past tense is forswore, past participle is forsworn. All right, so these are very good examples. Light. Light can have two forms of the past tense and past participles too. Light, past tense can be lighted. It can also be lit. Past participle too can be lighted or lit. We have lighted the fire, we have lit the fire. Sing. Past tense of sing is sang, while the past participle is sung, S-U-N-G. So we have sung the song. We have S-U-N-G, that we have sung the song. Then we have S-U-N-G, the S-O-N-G. So we have sung the song. All right? Sing, sang, song. Then we have bring. Past tense is brought. And past participle too is brought. We have brought the idea and all that. Set is one of the irregular verbs that does not change. So set, past tense is set, and past participle is still set. And that's that. In our next class, we shall look at collective nouns in English, a very, very important topic that we need to delve into. See you in the next class.